tri-state area, the fish are going to be getting ready to spawn real soon. Our spawn here may happen earlier than people think, and it's also a long drawn out spawn. But I want to talk about some of the baits right before the fish, maybe they're not quite spawning yet, but right before the fish get ready to spawn, some of the baits and ways that I want to fish for those fish that are they're almost there, they're not quite there. And my favorite way is with a swim jig. And if I'm fishing down south, you'll probably see me with a different swim jig. I'll have braid, I'll have a big heavy wire hook, but around here, I'm going to use a really more of a finesse style swim jig. This is a really good bait that if the fish are really getting ready to go on the beds, I can come in and, you know, if there's little sticks in the water or something like that, I can pump this jig, swim it around, keep it high in the water column. And, you know, the fish will typically start to get off of the bladed baits and stuff like that. They want something a little more subtle. So remember, right before those fish get ready to spawn, a swim jig is a really big deal. Once before the fish get ready, let's say it's a little more like calm, it's slick, and they don't want to really bite that swim jig, and maybe they're not locked down when you can see them yet, but they're getting right there. This is a deadly little trick here. This is called an eco rig, and what an eco rig consists of is I have a Zoom finesse worm. It can be any brand finesse worm you want, but the whole key to it is I actually have a little nail weight right here, okay? I'm gonna pull that nail weight out for you and show you. I shove that in the head of the worm, and the way this goes is this little worm is gonna sit on the bottom. I can really shake it, and so one of the things that I'm gonna do, if you can pan back here to the background, is right here next to this little clump right here is a really little slack area right there. That's where I would think a fish would be sitting on the bed. I'm gonna throw it in there and I'm gonna sit there and I'm just gonna shake it on a slack line. I can't see the fish. If I could see a fish on the bed, that's an obvious way to sight fish for them, but most of the time the water's dirty, and I'm just gonna make multiple pitches in there. I'm gonna throw that little Nico in there. I'm gonna sit there and I'm just gonna really shake it. And that's a really good way to get some of those fish that are just starting to move up, you know. Give you an idea of what this swim jig and Nico rig can do for you. And again, folks, we're fishing in the tri-state area. We're not down south. And look at these. This sucker here ate the swim jig. This sucker here ate the Nico rig. These fish, their bellies, they're fat. They are ready to spawn. And the next couple weeks here, the Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana River Valley, it's going to be some really good fishing. Make sure that you tune in for our next episode of Tips and Tricks. We'll go ahead and get these suckers back in the water nice and safe, and come back and catch them yourself next week.